Glenn here with information and instructions about BITEHARDER's Carbide stud sharpening tools. All of our components are proudly made in the USA from the highest quality stainless steel and machined on state-of-the-art manufacturing equipment. Then they are diamond coated using a proprietary braze to give you the longest life possible from the product. These tools are designed to allow you to maintain a sharp tip on your studs without having to remove them from your snowmobile's track. Like all cutting tools, these products will wear out over time. However, by following these simple instructions, you will maximize the effectiveness and longevity of the product. BITEHARDER's stud sharpening tools come in two variations, our Standard Series tool and our Professional Series tool. Our Standard Series tool is designed to work in a cordless drill at the speeds cordless drills will turn at, somewhere between 1,500 and 2,000 RPMs. These tools are designed to sharpen single studs, a stud where the tip may have broken off, you just want to freshen it up. Our Pro Series tool is designed to sharpen all the studs in your track using a high-speed die grinder. This is a die grinder that will need to run at 10,000 RPMs or greater. We recommend using electric tools, whether they be cordless or plug-in, because of their effectiveness and consistency. We do not recommend using pneumatic tools because you may not get the RPMs you need to get the longest life out of your tools. Our Carbide stud sharpening tools are a two-stage process. This section view of one of the tools will show us exactly what I mean. In the first stage, you take the tool and put it all the way on to the Carbide stud, and then as you go around it, it removes the host material, exposing the Carbide tip. The second stage is you back the tool off and then blend the tip, the Carbide tip, to the host material. All of our stud sharpening tools are designed to sharpen any stud to a 60-degree tip. This is the preferred tip for trail riding. Our Professional Series stud sharpening tool does come in three different angle variants. The first angle is the standard trail riding 60-degree tip. The second angle is a sharper tip at 45 degrees, which is better for hooking up on ice and really hard pack. And the third tip is a 30-degree angle, which is great for racing. What we have on the table here are three of Woody's Grandmaster Pro studs or Skidoo's Phantom studs. The first stud is a brand new stud. The second one has been cut away and sectioned. The third one has been resharpened. What most people don't know, as you can see from this cutaway section, is that there's plenty of carbide inside the host body. This allows you to resharpen your studs anywhere from 3 to 5 times without having to replace them. By being able to sharpen your studs, you can save thousands of dollars and a significant amount of time in replacing. For example, on this stud here, let's assume it's a $3 stud and that you have 100 studs in your track. That's $300 savings the first time you sharpen. If you're able to sharpen up to 5 times, you're looking at a $1,500 savings over replacing. Let's go over how to sharpen your studs. As we mentioned before, using our Standard Series tool is only for single sharpening of single studs. Using our Pro Series tool will sharpen all the studs in your track. The diamonds in our Standard Series tool are only designed to work at low RPMs in a cordless drill. This cordless drill on its highest setting will run between 1,500 and 2,000 RPMs. Perfect for the diamonds on here. When we go to our Pro Series tool, these are a higher quality diamonds that need to run at a higher RPM. This tool right here, a cordless die grinder, will run at 25,000 RPMs, which is the sweet spot for when you're sharpening all the studs in your track. Always remember that sharpening carbide creates a carbide dust, which is a carcinogen. Always wear respiratory protection when sharpening your carbide runners. Let's start by using the Standard Series tool first. With the tool spinning in a clockwise direction, when we engage the stud, we're going to move it around in a counterclockwise direction to do the sharpening. Always keep the tool on center with the stud. A smooth and consistent motion of your sharpening tool is important to achieve the sharpest tip possible. It is important that you let the diamonds do the cutting. Little or no pressure is all that is required. too much pressure will only help to wear your tool prematurely. Now that we've removed some of the host material, you can see that the tip of the carbide is protruding. The second stage is to back the tool off and go around and just blend the carbide in with the host material to give you a nice sharp tip. Next, let's use the Pro Series tool and show you how fast that process works. Using the same technique as the standard series tool, now let's sharpen this stud with the Pro Series tool. Remember, it is important that you let the diamonds do the cutting. Little or no pressure is all that is required. Now that we removed the host material and we've got the carbide tip exposed, we're going to go back in, back the tool out, and blend the carbide tip to the host material. That's a sharp tip. That's why we use the professional tool to sharpen all the studs in your track and the standard tool to only touch up studs. For more information on BITEHARDER's stud sharpening tools and all of our other products, please visit our website at BITEHARDER.com.